We've been using Dr. Pooper products for years with our septic system and drain field, and we're no stranger to how great it is. It's completely changed the way our septic runs. Everything is so much smoother. So when Dr. Pooper approached us and gave us this sample for this toilet bowl and septic cleaner, we hopped on the opportunity because this thing I already know is going to be fantastic. So this is also a toilet cleaner, which is great. So it will have that foaming effect that we will see in just a second. It is still made in the USA, and it is absolutely septic, obviously septic safe, drain field safe. And for the first time, they actually mentioned that it is also, if you are connected to the city, that's also safe for that as well. So you are really, making sure that your whole entire system before going to the city is working well. So it does have, it's a little powder, like it's almost like a laundry detergent if you look at it that way. And it's got a little scooper. And I'm going to read real quick because this is my first time. So 3 scoops, and we leave it for about 3 minutes. So I'm going to do that. 3 scoops, and we should see it start foaming right away. Oh yeah. And the 3rd scoop right here. We're going to leave it foam for 3 minutes, and I can already smell how fresh this whole thing feels. And we don't even have to scrub. We don't have to do anything after that. All it's doing, it's literally sanitizing, making sure that organic solids are going to be dissolved through the pipes. And after 3 minutes, all I do is flush it down the toilet. This thing is, man, I wish you could smell how my bathroom smells right now. So refreshing.